Alright, what's going on YouTube? We're over here at Burma Burma's enclosure. And let me turn the brightness down just a little bit so we can be able to see. But there's nothing else that Burma Burma want to do other than go outside and or relax a little bit, because he has two favorite things. He loves to eat and he loves to go hang out outside. But whenever he see me, you could see that he gets excited and he just wants to go outside. So I'm gonna go ahead and take him outside. And I don't know what's going on with your head, Burma Burma. Is that a white spot? It just formed up after he shed, so I'm not sure if it's because of the heat lamp or if it's just because, you know, he's getting to look better. So alright, let's go ahead and get Burma Burma outside, people. Go ahead and pause the video for you. And I'm going to use two hands to get him in the grass. I might not have to pause the video. Hold on, let me put it up on a stand. Alright. Here we go. You guys get to see how difficult it is just to get Burma Burma out of his enclosure. Burma Burma. It's called a snake massage. Alright, let's go. Come on, Burma. I like to put him around my neck because you see how big he is. So, let's go outside. Alright, people, welcome to the backyard. So, I got Burma Burma wrapped around me right now. And, come on, Burma. Sometimes he wants to go on the ground. Sometimes he don't want to go as easy. Because I'm warm. And, you know, they do enjoy the heat coming off of you. Alright, so here we go in the grass. Easy like so. Alright, so see, it wasn't so difficult to get him outside. And he doesn't raise his mouth to me or attempt to bite me or anything like that. That's just not the type of snake. This is a Burmese python, but it's one of the albino Burmese pythons, so that just makes him a little rare, I guess. But still love him just the same. You can see it's a beautiful snake. Most people don't know that these snakes have their own mind of their own. They got things they want to do. They have an agenda, places they want to go. Not necessarily like the same places where we would want to go, but in his mind, he has places he want to go. So when I let him go in the house, I'll know that I'll find him somewhere around in the bedroom near the window. Now I have another snake named Nibbles, and Nibbles love to go inside of this cabinet that I have. So if I let Nibbles loose in the house, I know that I can find Nibbles inside of this small cabinet. If I let Sam go, Sam is inside the treadmill. So I'll let your boy. People can't tell me he ain't learned none today, so. But these snakes do have places they want to go, and it is interesting sometimes to let your snake go and find out where they would go, because in any emergency situation where your snake gets out, you want to be able to go look back to that one place and be able to find your snake. I know I do. So when I'm out here, I'm doing little stuff like touching them, picking them up, still messing with them a little bit, massaging them, letting them know it's me, so that when it comes time to pick him up, he's not going to be so angry when it comes time to go inside. So it's good to keep touching him and, you know, not let him be afraid of something touching him or handling him. Alright, so I made it around back to the front. And you can tell that he really don't mind. So let's go back with our handling technique. Touch him in the face. Touch him around the mouth. Give him a little rub on top. And that's it. I mean, that's normally what I have to do, to get him to calm down. Because everyone knows that if you had another type of snake or different type of snake, that they'll bite. And some people are scared of their snakes. And that's not one thing you're supposed to be, right? I mean, if you got a good pet, you want him to be a good pet, right? You don't want him to be wilding off and biting people and snapping and cutting you. So, holla at your boy. People, make sure y'all watch my videos, man. That's how you get your snake this nice. And everybody knows that I had Burma Burma ever since Burma was a baby. He was a worm, little bitty small worm, and I had him in my pocket. And he has grown. Alright. So I touch him so much now that Burma Burma really don't mind about people touching him anymore. See, he has his own place he want to go. He don't really worry about where I'm going. He just has his own place, but I don't go very far because there are other animals out here, and we've seen in the past that there's hawks. When I had chickens, the hawk would come to my yard to hunt. So we don't have chickens anymore because of the chicken hawks. He's looking for something to eat, and that's all. Getting hungry. And I try not to restrict his head, right? I mean, I don't grab him by the head and hold him still. I mean, I'll get everywhere else around it. I think he gets a little upset when someone does something like that, so. Alright, people, holla at your boy. We're going to go inside in a little bit. I'm going to let Burma Burma sit out here and do his thing a little bit. I'm not going to let him find a hole, so I can't go very far. But make sure y'all hit that like button, people. It's your boy KP from kpreptiles. Leave a comment sometime. Peace out, people.